Welcome to the meadow-market. Here, Thistle, the bumblebee, trades pollen for everyday goods. But to ensure her trades are fair, Thistle has to navigate deals, thank you tips, and market fees. That requires precise math. The wise Math Shiba treats every deal with the same logic. A percent is simply a proportion out of 100, and you find it by multiplying. This diagram illustrates the core rule written on the card. A percent multiplies. And when a transaction has multiple steps, you apply each percentage sequentially, one at a time, to the updated amount. You never calculate them all at once. To master this, we don't look at percentages as abstract numbers floating in space. We view them as physical portions of a whole pile that we manipulate step by step. Let's watch Thistle buy a nectar bundle. The regular price is 48 acorns, but today she gets a 25% discount. To find the discount, we multiply 25%, or 0.25, by the starting amount of 48, giving exactly 12. Because it's a discount, we physically remove that number. After subtraction, Thistle is left with 36 acorns. Calculating a discount requires making these two distinct moves. You multiply to find the specific fractional amount first, and then you take it off the starting price. Next, Thistle sits down for a meal. The food costs 32 acorns, and she wants to leave an 18% thank you tip. Here is our starting pile of 32 acorns. We walk through the exact same initial calculation, multiplying the 18% tip, or 0.18, by the 32 acorn meal price. This gives us 5.76 acorns. But the physical action here reverses. A tip is a percentage of the bill that we add to the total, rather than take away. So we complete the arithmetic by adding that 5.76 tip directly onto the original 32, reaching a total of 37.76 acorns. Whether Thistle is securing a discount or leaving a tip, the initial multiplication mechanic is identical. The only thing that changes is the final physical action of subtracting or adding. Now we arrive at the final multi-step challenge. Thistle buys a 40 acorn pack at a 10% discount, but she also has to pay a 5% market fee, and that fee is applied to the discounted price. This diagram outlines the first step. We treat the discount independently. We calculate 10% of the original 40 acorns, which is 4, and we subtract it. At this point, the remaining pile of 36 acorns becomes our new baseline amount. We cannot calculate the 5% market fee based on the original 40 acorns, because those 40 acorns no longer exist in the transaction. The fee must be multiplied against the physical quantity we have in front of us, the new 36 acorn baseline. Now we execute the second step. We calculate 5% of that new 36 baseline, which gives us 1.80, and we add it to the pile. Multi-step percent problems alter the quantity you are working with mid-calculation. You must establish the new physical amount before you can apply the next percentage. Thistle successfully navigated 3 very different transactions today, resulting in exact totals of 36, 37.76, and 37.8 acorns. Her success comes down to the golden rule of proportional math. A percent multiplies, and for multi-step problems, you must apply each percent sequentially to the new amount. The wise Math Shiba leaves us with one final thought. If a 20 acorn item is 50% off, and then a 10% fee is applied to the new price, what is the final cost? Half off of 20 leaves 10. A 10% fee on that new pile of 10 is 1. Adding them together brings the final total to exactly 11. 1% at a time on the amount you have now. I'll see you at the next bend.